What's going on? My name's Chris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and activate the free version of LifterLMS by getting it off of the LifterLMS.com website for free. So all you have to do is go to LifterLMS.com, and if you don't have an account yet, hover over the profile, click Login, and what you need to do is register to create an account. So all you have to do is just put in your email address. And you do not need to create a password at this time. A password will be automatically generated for you, which you can change later. So then you click register. This creates a free account on the LifterLMS.com website. And here from your dashboard, all you have to do is click the download core LifterLMS plugin button right here. So I'm going to download that. So that's a zip file. That's what the plugin is. So I've gotten my free account on the LifterLMS.com website. I've downloaded the plugin. And now I'm over on my website where I want to install and activate LifterLMS. And if this is your first time using WordPress, just go to yourwebsite.com/WP-admin and you will see this screen. So I'm going to click on plugins and I'm going to click on add plugin and I'm going to click on upload plugin. I'm going to click choose file and browse to where I have downloaded the zip file. So there it is, LifterLMS current version. I'm going to click open, install now, and I'm going to click activate plugin. Now what that's going to do is bring me into the quick setup wizard. So we'll step through that real quick. I'm going to click get started now. I'm going to install the required pages. I'm going to sell in the United States dollar, and I'll be in the United States as the default for me. I'm going to click save and continue. I'm going to get a coupon code by clicking allow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to install some sample courses, maybe this one, and the LifterLMS Quick Start course, which is a full tutorial on how to get going with LifterLMS. I'm going to click import courses. And at this point, I'm done. I've installed LifterLMS. It's activated. I have a few sample courses here, and I am ready to go. And that's how you install and activate the free core version of LifterLMS by getting it off of the LifterLMS website.